Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
A very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Australian shares are expected to start the week on a muted note. That's following another sell-off on Wall Street last Friday. The global sentiment was hurt on expectations that the hawkish monetary rate policy from US Federal Reserve to tackle inflation would pull down major global economies into a recession. Now, the latest SPI futures indicate that the ASX 200 would open 82 points or 1.25% lower this morning. On Friday, the benchmark index closed 1.9% lower at 6,574 points. Moving on to some business news from this morning now, and the Star Entertainment Group advises that Geoff Hogg has tendered his resignation as acting Chief Executive Officer and from all other positions at the Star. The board has accepted his resignation. His final departure date is yet to be determined. Ben Heap will assume the role of Executive Chairman on an interim basis, effective immediately and until Robbie Cook starts as the incoming Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. Ramsay Healthcare and the consortium of financial investors led by KKR have mutually agreed to terminate discussions regarding a non-binding indicative takeover proposal. The Ramsay board remains open to engaging in relation to a change of control proposal, but that must provide appropriate value for shareholders and has sufficient certainty of completion in a reasonable time frame. An internet company, Superloop, has entered into a sale and purchase agreement to acquire VostroNet holdings for $35 million. They're a provider of wholesale fibre to the premises access networks and purpose-built student accommodation broadband. The acquisition consolidates and expands Superloop's strong managed Wi-Fi position into the adjacent on-net broadband markets. VostroNet is a leading infrastructure owner and internet provider delivering high-speed FTTP and intelligent Wi-Fi networks for multi-dwelling and broadacre developments. Key customers include Unilodge, Queensland University of Technology and Sunshine Coast Council for Wi-Fi solutions. Well, now it's time for a very short break. Stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now taking a quick look at the global markets. Over on Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell 1.6%. The S&P 500 dipped 1.7% and the Nasdaq ended 1.8% lower. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq are already in bear market territory and they fell 1.72% and 1.85% respectively. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 2.3%, the FTSE was down 2%, the CAC dropped 2.3% and the DAX ended 2% lower. MSCI's World Stocks Index fell 2.07% to almost two-year lows. Oil prices fell almost 5% to an 8-month low. The crude oil turned up more expensive on rising strength in the US dollar and as expectations of a recession hit the demand outlook. Brent crude futures fell $4.31 to $86.15 a barrel. WTI crude was down $4.75 to settle at $78.74 a barrel. The prices of gold declined to their lowest levels seen in April 2022 as the rally in the dollar and the rising treasury yields hurt bullion, which pays no interest. US gold futures closed 1.5% lower at $1,655. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is down 2.57% to $18,904. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report here this morning at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.